Alright y'all, this is part 2 of the custom barber chair transformation. In part 1, y'all seen the scan and digitize the pattern. Now in this video, we're going to see if the custom seat covers actually fit. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. This is our first time doing custom barber chair covers. So if this turns out horrible, please go easy on me in the comment section. Alright, I'm going to start with the bottom cushion first because it looks like it's going to be the easiest piece on the chair. My plan is to work from the easiest sections to the hardest sections and build confidence as we go. Since this is our first barber chair cover, I honestly don't know what's going to fit perfectly and what's going to give us problems. If the bottom goes on the way it's supposed to, that's a good sign that our 3D scan and pattern process is headed in the right direction. As I'm pulling the cover into place, I'm checking the seams, making sure everything lines up correctly, and working the material around the curves of the cushion. The good thing is we started with a 3D scan, so every measurement and contour should already be built into the pattern. So far it's looking pretty promising. The fit is looking clean, the seams are lining up nicely, and it's definitely giving me a little more confidence moving forward. But the bottom is usually the easy part. The real test is going to be the armrests, the backrest, and all the more complex shapes on the chair. That's where we're really going to find out how accurate this process was. Okay, I'll admit the bottom definitely came out better than I expected. Now it's time for the armrests, and these gotta fit tight, because that's what everybody touches. Next up are the armrests. I originally tried installing the covers with the armrests still attached, but I quickly realized I was making the job harder than it needed to be. Instead of fighting around the hardware, I decided it would be much easier to remove them, wrap them separately, and reinstall them afterward. Okay, for the armrests, I found they look a lot better if you just take the screw out. I actually thought this armrest was going to be a lot more difficult than it was, but once I took a closer look, I realized it was only held on by a single screw. A couple turns later, and it was off the chair, making the cover installation much easier. Now this section is completely tore up, so hopefully this cover cleans that up and start bringing this chair back to life. Now this section right here is pretty rough. The original material is torn up, worn out, and definitely showing its age. Hopefully this cover cleans all of that up and gives it a fresh new look. As I'm installing it, I'm paying close attention to how the cover follows the shape of the cushion and wraps around the edges. Since this area gets a lot of use, it needs to fit snug so it doesn't move around every time someone gets in or out of the chair. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, so you can just pull it here, tie it in a knot here. And I'm just gonna use these hog rings. Alright, this is the main part people see right here. If the backrest fits good, this whole thing may actually work. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cool seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. And alright, now we're getting to the part that really matters. The backrest. This is the section people see first when they walk into the shop. So if this doesn't look right, none of the other pieces are going to matter. Up to this point, everything has been fitting pretty well, but this is where we're really going to find out how accurate our scan and pattern process was. As I'm pulling the cover over the backrest, I'm checking the seams, making sure everything is centered, and working the material into all the curves. The backrest has a lot more shape to it than some of the other pieces, so there's definitely a little more room for things to go wrong. That's why I'm taking my time and making small adjustments as I go. So far though, it's looking really good. The cover is following the contours of the chair. The lines are lining up where they're supposed to, and it's already making the chair look newer and more professional. Honestly, this is the section I was most nervous about before we started. If the backrest fits correctly, that's a huge sign that this whole process actually works. The goal isn't just to cover the chair, it's to make it look like it was designed to be there from the beginning. And right now it's starting to look exactly how I hoped it would. Alright, I'm gonna do the headrest, then I'm gonna show you the final reveal. At this point, everything else has gone together pretty well, so I'm hoping we can finish strong. Even though the headrest is one of the smaller pieces, it's still important because it's right at eye level and can really stand out if the fit isn't right. As I'm installing it, I'm making sure the seams are straight, the material is sitting evenly, and everything matches the rest of the chair. So far, it's looking clean and tying the whole project together. Once this piece is finished, we'll finally be able to step back, look at the entire chair, and see if this custom cover experiment was actually a success. Now I can't lie. I think it was a success. I can't lie. For our first Barber chair, I'm really happy with how this came out. The fit is looking clean, the chair has a completely different look, and it's hard to believe where we started compared to where we ended up. The best part is that now that we've created the patterns, we can make these covers for other Barber chairs as well. Whether you're looking to freshen up a single chair or outfit an entire barber shop, we've got options available. We can even offer volume pricing for larger orders. If you're interested in getting a custom quote, send us a message and let us know how many chairs you're looking to cover. And if you're ready to order, the link is in the description below. Let me know what you think of the final result in the comments.